Hey there, welcome back to Coding Content, where we blend the art of programming with the thrill of gaming. Today we're diving into the question, why is coding the superpower you never knew you needed? So, buckle up, grab your favorite snack, and let's embark on this digital adventure together. First off, let's face it, coding is like having a magic wand you can swing at almost any problem. Imagine being able to automate those mind-numbing tasks that eat away at your time. Yes, all those hours spent copying and pasting data into spreadsheets could be better spent doing, well, literally anything else. Coding lets you say goodbye to monotony and hello to efficiency. It's like hiring a personal assistant, minus the awkward small talk. Let me break it down for you. Coding isn't just about writing lines of text that make computers do stuff. It's about solving problems creatively. Think of it as a puzzle, where the pieces are logic and syntax, and the picture you're trying to create is your solution. And who doesn't love a good puzzle, right? Except this one won't end up missing pieces under your couch. Now, some of you might be thinking, but isn't coding just for those techie people with glasses thicker than my grandma's lasagna? Well, I'm here to burst that bubble. Coding is for everyone. Whether you're an artist wanting to create digital masterpieces, a business owner looking to streamline operations, or just someone who's tired of waiting for the IT department to fix your email, coding is your secret weapon. And let's talk about the job market. If you want job security, learning to code is like getting a golden ticket. I mean, have you seen the salaries these tech jobs are offering? It's like they pay you in gold bars. The demand for skilled programmers is skyrocketing, and it doesn't look like it's slowing down anytime soon. Companies are practically tripping over themselves to hire people who can speak the language of computers. But beyond the paycheck, coding gives you the power to create something out of nothing. You can build apps that change how people interact with the world. You can develop games that entertain millions. Or if you're feeling particularly altruistic, you can create software that genuinely helps people. It's like being a superhero, but instead of a cape, you have a keyboard. And trust me, keyboards are much more comfortable to wear. Coding also teaches you how to think. It's like mental gymnastics. You learn how to break down complex problems into manageable chunks. You become a master of logic and reasoning. And yeah, sometimes your code will break and you'll feel like throwing your computer out the window. But when you finally solve that tricky bug, it's like winning a battle. The sweet taste of victory is worth every frustrating moment. Now, I know we all have those days when we feel like coding is just a never-ending tunnel of confusion. But remember, every coder has been there. Even the pros. They didn't start out knowing everything. They learned by doing, failing, and trying again, and so can you. If you stick with it, you'll find that coding isn't just a skill, but a way of life. A way of thinking that opens doors you never even knew existed. So, whether you're looking to switch careers, enhance your current job, or just pick up a new hobby, coding is the superpower you never knew you needed. It empowers you to create, innovate, and solve problems you once thought were impossible. And who knows, maybe one day you'll look back and realize that learning to code was the best decision you ever made. That's all for today's episode of Coding Content. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more content. And as always, keep coding, keep gaming, and I'll see you in the next one.